Welcome to today's video where we unlock the myriad benefits of integrating jogging into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned runner or someone looking to introduce a light form of physical activity into your life, jogging offers a plethora of advantages without the stress and overload of intensive workouts. Stay with us till the end to discover how this accessible exercise can transform your health, mood, and overall well-being. Get ready to lace up your sneakers and step into a healthier lifestyle. Let's get it. What is jogging? Jogging is essentially running at a leisurely pace, typically between 7–10 km per hour, tailored individually to each participant. This exercise focuses not on speed but on technique, allowing for a relaxed, unhurried movement distinct from walking by its flight phase, where both feet leave the ground. Ideal for achieving cardiovascular health, fat burning, and stress relief, jogging is the perfect wellness activity for those seeking gentle yet effective exercise. It's especially beneficial for beginners or those in recovery, engaging key muscle groups while serving as a stabilizing workout for the entire body. The healing benefits of jogging. Jogging stands out for its cardiovascular stimulation, joint strengthening, and muscle toning effects. As you jog, improved blood circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your tissues, boosting metabolic processes and normalizing blood pressure. This in turn enhances your immune system, supports weight loss, and can even help reduce cellulite. A notable aspect of jogging is its calorie burning capacity. For instance, a 70 kg individual can burn approximately 900 kcal per hour at a pace of 12 km per hour, making it an efficient activity for those aiming to lose weight. Beyond the physical, jogging offers profound benefits for the nervous system. Recommended for individuals dealing with stress or depression, the rhythmic pace of jogging fosters mental clarity and releases endorphins, known as the happiness hormones. Regular joggers report fewer headaches, diminished muscle pains, and a resilience against seasonal depression attributed not only to endorphin production but also to the healing effects of being outdoors. Exposure to sunlight during jogs enhances vitamin D synthesis, pivotal for hormonal balance and mood regulation, offering a natural remedy for depressive states. Jogging technique and preparation. To maximize the benefits of jogging, adhering to proper technique is crucial. Maintaining an upright posture, looking ahead, and coordinating breath with movement are key components. Your steps should be frequent and springy, with arms bent at the elbows, swinging in sync with your strides. Such form ensures efficiency and reduces the risk of injury. Warming up is non-negotiable. It primes your muscles and joints for the activity ahead, safeguarding against strains or sprains. The beauty of jogging lies in its versatility. You can practice it on city streets, park paths, or even a treadmill. The essence of jogging is maintaining a consistent pace and monitoring your pulse to stay within the optimal zone for health benefits. However, one practical consideration is attire, especially since jogging at a slow pace generates less body heat. Dressing appropriately for the weather is essential to prevent discomfort or the risk of catching a cold. Jogging is a multifaceted exercise that promises substantial health benefits, from cardiovascular improvement and weight loss to mental health support and immune system boosting. Its accessibility makes it a favored choice for individuals at any fitness level, offering a pathway to improved health without the demands of more strenuous activities. Embrace jogging as part of your daily routine to enjoy its comprehensive benefits. Remember, the key to success is consistency, proper technique, and enjoying the process. As you incorporate jogging into your life, you'll discover a more vibrant, healthier, and happier you. Don't forget to check out more videos on our channel for additional insights into building a stronger, more resilient anatomy. Jogging is just the beginning of a journey towards a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. Thank you for joining us, and happy jogging.